welcome welcome back. We're taking today's video inside so you can hear me better. Can y'all hear me good? How are we feeling today? What's going on? Did we eat breakfast? Do we have anything to drink so far? Like, what's really good? What's really tea? Today's a new day. I don't know, it's a fall day. I feel like some clarity has come my way already. I've been sitting here with my wonderful candle in my journal, doing my morning routine, and I was gonna take y'all really deep in it, but I put a little clip just for you guys to see. But I like to keep that sacred time for myself, and I encourage you to do the same. No phones, no this, no that, just me, my thoughts, and God. That's really it. And I find peace every single time. Even if that's the one thing I do for my day, it makes me feel like, whew, I accomplished something. And the goal of this is to prioritize pouring into yourself, not in a way where you're just like me, but in a way where you feel considered. Even if no one else, you feel like no one else is considering you, you feel considered because you took some time for you. So that's something I've been doing and has really been helping me, my self-esteem, my confidence, all of that jazz. When I take time to slow down, because I could be moving so fast, take time to slow down, process, and think, okay, how do I want to tackle today? Rawr. But with today, I feel like I've already found new opportunities to share some light, and I've realized that how easy it is to get into like a tunnel vision. At least for me, I don't know about you, to get into like a sense of tunnel vision when something works. It's like work it to the ground, but that closes other avenues and other opportunities, and I'm seeing that now. I'm seeing that more now. So today I really want to spend time on the essence of limitlessness, and the affirmations for today are going to be focused on that. But before we move forward, today is Temilade Day because she's dropping a song today, I believe. I don't think it's a project. I think it's a song. All the baddies are dropping. Cleo drop. Thames is dropping. I'm just gonna have to drop. Like, just be honest. Just being honest. But my song of the day is Free Mind, and it's about to be me and you when she drops the video, because I will be watching. If we have any Thames fans, let me know in the comments. I adore her. Wonderful. I don't know her, but I feel like she has a wonderful spirit, and that speaks in her music. So without further ado, I think I'm just going to jump into the affirmations. I don't want to just chat your ear off, but I'm so grateful that you're here and that you're continuing this journey with me and seeing how our life is going to change. I am telling myself and telling you guys now that I am going to be doing this until the end of the year. So I'm excited to see what Q4 looks like when I have y'all right here by my side supporting me. And I was just praying about this morning. It was just like, I'm so grateful that I'm making time to do this, because I felt so stressed today. Here I go. Even though I'm saying I'm not going to talk too much, here I go. I felt so like stressed about what this weekend is going to look like, because I'm shooting a music video and I'm performing at this festival. So I'm like, okay, take some space and time for yourself to process, practice, and don't procrastinate. It's definitely been me trying to work through some patterns that I've had, which has been good, but I'm just seeing things from a different light, and I want to thank you guys also for being here, because this has challenged me to show up for myself, for you guys, and for my future self. So let's jump into the affirmations. Yeah. Okay, let's do this. Okay. I am open to receiving unlimited abundance. Prosperity flows freely into my life. I am a magnet for financial abundance. I attract prosperity with ease and joy. I'm going to say that again so I can really feel it. I attract prosperity with ease and joy. Success and wealth are natural to me. I am being divinely guided on the highest path for me. I trust that everything is happening in favor of my highest good. I am open to new opportunities. I am surrounded by abundance in all forms. Prosperity is my birthright, and I claim it right now. With each day, as I move forward and pour into myself, I glow and I grow stronger. My skin is clear, my heart is filled with love, and I move in joy every single day. I am grateful to have opportunities showing up at my door, left and right. I embrace every and all possibilities. I have the strength to move forward no matter what. Ooh, I like the sound of that. I really do. I have the strength to move forward no matter what. I am aligned with the energy of abundance and freedom. I release any unhealthy attachments and lack mindset that has held me captive. I remove any thinking that I cannot or I will not, because I have all the potential to be what I want to and what I will. I am deserving of all blessings that are coming my way. I wasn't sure. I wasn't sure if you guys could hear the background noise, so I paused. We're right back in it. Let's get back to it. I am aligned with the energy of pure abundance. I am connected to the endless abundance of the universe. I am rooted in hope and light. My life is bursting with joy, love, and prosperity. And we're going to say it again because we're saying it until we mean it, okay? My life is bursting with joy, love, and prosperity. Like it doesn't get any better than this. My mind is free of limiting beliefs and open to the flow of everlasting abundance. I make space for love, abundance, and prosperity to flow to and through me. I live in a world filled with infinite love, and that love continually flows to and through me. I live in a world filled with infinite love, and that love continually flows to and through me. I release limits and boundaries to embrace potential and possibilities. Everywhere I look, I see hope. I find joy. Abundance and new opportunities. My heart is awakened to a world filled with limitless abundance. I am so thankful that I have access to resources I've dreamed of, to love that I've craved, and to joy that I've always desired. Everything I need to create infinite abundance lives within me. I am clearing space for a new chapter, filled with incredible experiences and limitless abundance. Today and every day from here on out, I allow the flow of abundance to move effortlessly through me. By surrendering control and allowing abundance to flow into my life in unexpected ways. By surrendering control, by surrendering what I know to be true here and now, to allow abundance to flow into my life in unexpected ways, I will be blessed time and time again. I want to thank you guys for being here and spending some time with me throughout your busy, hectic day. Cannot wait for tomorrow. These affirmations right here, they were starting to hit. So however many times you have to watch this to get through your day, or maybe just to repeat the words back to yourself, do that, okay? Because words are very important. They hold so much weight. There is power in the tongue. So continue to say these kind words to yourselves and allow yourself to open up and maybe see things differently. See things as if you were someone else, an observer watching your life. We always are asking for people to give us advice and extend help, but it's like, at the same time, we have everything that we need, you know? Our bodies can heal themselves. Isn't that insane? Our bodies can literally heal themselves. So we don't have to ask, per se, or we don't have to go out looking for help, because help will always find its way to us. Help will always find its way to us. Okay? Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you tomorrow.